Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. So I'm going to be doing a bloom swipe today with some really interesting colors. This is my base coat, which I tinted a very light gray. And then that is Iridescent Pearl by Golden Fluid. And this is kind of a mauve-y copper color. The mauve is Lucas and then the copper is Sargent. This is Charvin Quinacridone Magenta. Very nice and vibrant. This is Quinacridone Nickel Azo mixed with a little bit of black. Kind of like it with just a few drops of black. And then this is a really nice Payne's Gray. Let me get you this one here. Payne's Gray and Prussian Blue mixture. And then I'm going to be using my white Amsterdam cell activator, just with a few drops of the minawax wood conditioner. I did order some Australian floetrol. So, and this is a 14 by 18 inch canvas, which I just found these and I really like the size. I think they make frames for them. The frames that I like come in this size as well. So I think this will look really nice, all framed up. Okay, let's get going. Hi, so I just also wanted to talk a little bit about the bloom swipe and kind of why I find it so interesting. I just think it's really a beautiful, beautiful effect, the things that the paints do. And this was a technique that was kind of developed by Sheely Art. And there's a lot of artists that use these recipes in many various forms. And I've always thought they were very pretty. So it's just a really enjoyable little process. And I've had some questions about sort of the difference. I don't want it to be confused with the pearl paintings that I do. These are very, very, very different recipes and consistencies to the pearl pour. So I did want to just clarify that. The paints here are much, much thicker, and the mediums that are used are very different. So I kind of have different sections of my studio reserved for the paints that are mixed up to make sure they don't get, mixed together or confused for one another. And for some reason, I gravitate towards this type of color palette for the bloom swipe. I really like that kind of pop of bright color, and then that one I'm putting on now, that iridescent pearl. That's a golden fluid color, and it's really, really pretty, sort of over the gray and intermixing with the other colors. It makes all sorts of variants of color and gives it this kind of translucent shine. It's very pretty. So I just hope you enjoy this. It's I kind of break things up and do different techniques. I think it really helps in creativity to be doing different things. I find if I'm doing the same technique over and over, I can get a little bit stuck. So, take that as a grain of salt. Maybe it's, I think everybody's journey with fluid art is different. And for me, I just like to kind of mix it up a little bit just for my own creativity and keep things sort of loose and fluid and fun. And I really, really appreciate you guys. This last year has been overwhelming with the support and all the beautiful comments and people buying my art. It's just been really magnificent. I can't tell you how happy it makes me. 5 years ago, I would have never guessed I would be doing this. I've dreamed of being an artist my whole life, so this has just been fantastic. And there's some wonderful ways you can support me. I've got a Patreon account where I have some private content that I put in there. And you can shop in my Amazon shop. I've got all sorts of great products in there that I use all the time. I'm also really passionate about wellness. So if you're interested in anything like that, just private message me or drop me a line. I've got some things that I do in the line of just staying, I think that the healthier we are, the more vibrant we are, the more creative we become. So let me know if you're interested in any of that. And thank you for being with me. These are just 2 paintings. The second one is a 10 by 10. It's a donation to our local Pondere Arts Council. And they do a little 10 by 10 auction with all the different artists in town. So that's why it's so little. I usually don't paint that small, but they wanted a 10 by 10. So, okay, I hope you're having a fantastic day and taking good care, and we'll talk to you guys very soon. All right, bye.